Hey guys, it's Benga from RDG Technologies. It's nice to have you again. This is the third video in this series, and in these videos we are going to look at how we can back up or save our company file for future use. Definitely, due to crashing, lost in data, we may have to restore back to the previous day that our file has been stored. This, guys, I must tell you, is a regular routine that you must do in your organization. Always take a backup of your company file every time. Store it in an external drive, and also you can store in your system for safety. The system could crash any point in time. We may need to migrate to another system. We need the backup file. So depending on your organization policy as to dates in which you are expected to store file, whether it is weekly, monthly, but bottom line, don't allow the gap to be too much. Make sure you store your file on a regular basis. So how do we store our file, or how do we back up our file using QuickBooks Desktop? The directive is simple. We come back to the file that has been opened, which is the file we want to store. We go to File menu. Under File menu, we are going to see Backup Company. Please notice, guys, if you close company, QuickBooks will automatically ask you if you want to back up or not. So you have the option to either back up at that point or simply cancel and proceed in closing the company. But to intentionally back up a company, come to Backup Company. You will see three options there: create local backup, restore previous local backup, set up or activate online backup. So let's create a local backup that we can back up our file on our local disk or on a folder set up on our system. So here we have it. Do you want to save your backup copy online or locally? So we have the two options: online backup into QuickBooks database for easy retrieval when the time needs, or local backup, which is what most organizations usually do on a weekly or daily basis. So we select our local backup, then we click next. So next brings us to this dialog box that said backup option. Tell us where to save your backup copies. What is the requirement, which is where we want to save the backup copy of our file. So we click on browse. We select the location where we want to back up this file. For this practice purpose, let me just put this on desktop here for easy reference. Inside desktop, I have this folder called desktop 2. Then I click on OK. So there is the directory where I want to store the file. So I click on, I have other options here which you can review: complete verification, blah blah blah. Those are pretty optional. So I click on OK. OK take me to this next page. So when do you want to save your backup copy? Save it now. Save it now and schedule future backup so that it will be done automatically on your behalf. Only schedule future backup so that it can be done automatically on your behalf. But I want to save it now. So I click on next. I click on next. So where do I want to save it? I want to save it as selected earlier, desktop 2. That is directory I select to save the file. This is the same location. So at this point I click on save, and here we have it working, verifying data integrity. This may take some time. So here QuickBooks is actually backing up the file now for us. Backing up data. Press escape to cancel. So there we have it. QuickBooks has saved a backup of the company file for FMC Agency Limited to the directory we select inside desktop 2. So once we completed, we click on OK, and there we have it. Our company file has been backed up. Hope you understand this, guys, and hope you can learn a lot from it. Please, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel so that we can be updated as new videos continue to unfold. Thanks.